Just landed in Bangkok. This is a bit of how the city looks. Honestly, I'm so tired. Been traveling for 26 hours, literally. From Toronto to Amsterdam was 13 hours, and Amsterdam to Thailand was another 11 hours on flight. So can you imagine? But now we're here at the hotel. Okay, this is the room with a nice little view, of course, going on there. And then, of course, the bathroom. I actually like the lighting in here. It's pretty nice. Of course, now we're going to the pool deck of the hotel with an infinity pool with amazing views of Bangkok City. Honestly, like for a five-star hotel, it's beautiful and also cheap. Like Thailand is definitely one of the cheapest place to travel to, as this hotel is probably only $70 a night USD. And for those of you who want to know, this is the Eastern Grand Hotel in Sathorn, Bangkok. Thank you. This is some of the food I've had for dinner at the hotel. It's delicious. Honestly, like the food here in Bangkok is amazing. Like the best food I've probably had. And this is just a view of the pool deck in the night. It's beautiful. I love the lighting that they have going on the deck. If you didn't know, Bangkok is definitely known for its street food and nightlife. As you can see here, this is a very famous street called Khao San Road. So if you ever go to Bangkok, make sure to go to Khao San Road. You'll find the best street food and bars that Bangkok has to offer. You can see some scorpions there. Of course, you know, I had to try it. It was pretty crunchy, to be honest. I felt as if how they put the MSG on it, it kind of killed all the other taste, the flavor of it, but it was pretty good. And of course, here you have a crocodile, and you know, I had to try that as well. It was my first time trying my crocodile as well, and it was chewy. Now you have the lady here making up some pad thai. Now you know, if you're a pad thai lover, you have to go to Bangkok for it.
Okay, I get the big one is better. Can I get the big one?
Now you see we're in the nightlife part here of Khao San Road. It's a very diverse place, as you have people from all around the world, especially Europe, that come and visit. Now I'm headed back to the hotel in the tuk-tuk. This is probably one of the cheapest ways to get around in Bangkok, and fun, I should say. Now we are at the Damnoen Saduak floating market in Bangkok, which is a river where you'll find wooden boats overflowing with like fruits and vegetables or food, which they sell to people standing on the land or people who come by on nearby wooden boats. You can also tell how colorful and loud the scene is, which is something you'll expect from a Thai market, but it's just 100 kilometers away from Bangkok. This was my first time seeing a loris or even hearing about it and also holding one. As you can see, he there was trying to take some money from me, eh? But they're actually the cutest little things. I was also able to visit the world's largest reclining Buddha. As you can see how long it is. Right now we're at Tiger Kingdom. As you can see, these huge tigers just walking around in that cage. In a few minutes, I'm gonna be in there shortly with them. Now I'm here walking in the cage with them. They're just there chilling, taking a bath, relaxing, walking around, you know, just enjoying life. And I'm here just now taking a picture with them. This whole time I thought they were taking a picture and not a video. That's why I'm just there smiling. But it was an amazing experience. I never knew I would have been right next to a tiger or touching a tiger ever in my life until I came here to Bangkok to visit Tiger Kingdom and see all these beautiful tigers. So honestly, when this tiger looked at me, I got scared. I was like, I'm about to get eaten. Now we are here at the Elephant Sanctuary or Elephant's World. These elephants are actually rescued and they're not under any form of abuse, or neither are they ridden. So they're actually very well taken care of and fed. It was a great time actually visiting them and feeding them. So I was able to actually spend the whole day with them. We bathed them, we fed them, we played with them, everything. Like, they are awesome to be around and huge as well. But it was an amazing experience nonetheless. And as you can see me there just sitting in the water with the elephant, just bathing him for a bit, and of course I jumped off and yeah, splashed. I ended up doing a local Thai class, and within that class we've made basically pad Thai, chicken pad Thai, and also red curry. So through this class you'll see me making the pad Thai and red curry.
This one will be the sweet ready. Because after we mix everything together, will be a lot. That's right. This brown. Oops. After that, I use we don't use any garlic in pad thai. We need the aroma from the red shallot. Okay. Okay. And after that, turn it down to the low heat. Whoa. Okay. I don't stir like this. I don't want to make this right away. Just like this. I like to eat a big chunk of it. And we put aside. Corn. Tofu. For bean curd, please pick up the hard one. Soft one for soup, that one no good. No good. You take a hard one. Okay? Take the hard one. We are not professional. We're taking time. We're cooking in the Lumpini. Okay. Normally when I'm cooking, I heat on the wood, yeah. And sometimes I leave the wall out like this. If I don't want to burn. If someone has the allergy with peanuts, no need to add them. Okay? Or you can put aside. They put my oil.
Now y'all know I had to come to Thailand and present. But that's my pad thai there.
Only 1 teaspoon of the white pepper. You roast it for a while only. You add for the half cup first. Half cup of the coconut milk. Okay.
After I cooked up all these flavorful Thai dishes, I ended up going to see a Muay Thai fight. Actually, seeing the Muay Thai fights in Bangkok inspired me to actually start participating in the art. It's very fun and therapeutic, but they really be going at it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video of my time in Bangkok and got some travel tips. I'm definitely looking forward to drop more of my travel videos to share with y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, have a great day.